Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, your SS teacher, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Hiswa. I am going to start subject geography of standard 7, and this is chapter 4 air and fifth video lecture on the topic. Dear students, yesterday we have discussed about the cyclones, the natural furies, and in this we have discussed that what are the adverse effect of the cyclone to our state like Odisha, and we came to know that what the do's and don'ts should be taken here. Okay, now next is about the moisture. In moisture, we have to know that when the water evaporates from land and different water bodies, it become the water vapor. Moisture in air at any time is known as humidity. It means sometimes you will feel in the winter season that there is the moisture within the air. It means you put the clothes, okay, but you will see that it's take long time, 1 hours, 2 hours. Why this is happens? Because the air, it's already contained of the moisture. It means you can say the tiny droplets which can't be seen from our eyes, these are contained by the air. Okay, and that's why what it happen that usually those cloths don't get dried earlier. Okay, now as the air gets warmer, its capacity to hold the water vapor increases, and so it become more and more humid. Okay, like as I told you in the summer season, what it happen that when you will put the cloths on the roof, what it happen that the air used to be dry, and that dry air usually catches all the moisture within the cloths, and the cloths get dried up earlier. Okay, and this usually happens during the winter and summer season. So like when the water vapor rises, it start cooling. Okay, and the water again vapor condense and further come to the earth in the form of droplets, and this is known as rain. Okay, this condensation and evaporation of water and further the precipitation, this is the basically you can say this is the cycle of the water. Okay, in the form of precipitation we get the rain, but in the form of evaporation it goes upward, as you have already discussed in the previous chapters also. Okay, so now the precipitation that comes to our earth in the form of liquid, you can say the water droplets, that is rain, and most of the groundwater that comes from the rainwater. It means the plants help to preserve the water. Yes, the roots, these roots, they used to just hold up the soil, as well as the soil it contained the water. Okay, thus the plants and trees, this just helps to preserve the water, and this also maintain the water level at the particular ground. Okay, wherever trees on the hillside are cut, rainwater flows down the bare mountains and can use flooding in low-lying areas. It means whenever the mountains are there, and if in those areas if trees are cut down, then what it happen that rainwater is used to be happen there, and slowly it will goes down, okay, to the low-lying areas, and there will be a situation of flood. Okay, this usually happens. So if there is the tree, it means the trees, these used to upholds the water from there, which are being given to there as precipitation. Okay, now on the basis of the mechanism, the rainfall are also categorized into 3 types. Like the first is about conventional rainfall, second is orographic, and third is cyclonic rainfall. Okay, basically cyclonic, it means the normal, like the evaporation, precipitation, and the condensation, Basically this used to be happen wherever in the orographic, it means those areas where the relief features like the mountains, low lying areas, these are there the orographic rainfall is there. Okay, and the conventional, this usually happens when there is the warm air and it goes upward and further the rainfall is used to come on the earth surface. Okay, as we know that rainfall, it is very important to us. Okay, as these rainfall maintain our water level of the ground, as well as it also bring the fresh water to the earth surface. As if there is less rainwater, then it used to be happen that there is water scarcity and drought occurs. But on the other hand side, if there is more, then the flood it used to take place. Okay, so the excessive of whether rainwater or excessive of anything that lead to be uh, not good for us. Okay dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.